Public transportation to Silverton Lodge. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, how to ride the city bus to and from the airport strip in Fremont to Silverton Hotel and Casino. Kick it! At the time of this recording, the fare to ride the Las Vegas City Bus is $2 and the exact fare is required. Download the RTC app to your phone and you'll save a ton of money on Uber fares and make getting around Las Vegas easier. To get to Silverton Hotel and Casino from Terminal 1 at the airport, go down to baggage claim to get to the public transportation area. If you happen to be arriving at Terminal 3, take the free inter-terminal shuttle from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. For more info on that, check out the shuttle video I made. I put a link in the description box below. Continue going forward across the baggage claim area till you reach the escalator going down to level 0. Take the escalator down to level 0. Exit the terminal and follow the signs to the public transportation area. When you reach this sign, turn right to go to the public transportation area. Otherwise, you can keep going forward to catch the free inter-terminal shuttle to Terminal 3. At the public transportation area, board the 109 Maryland Parkway southbound to get to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. It's a 6-minute ride to the terminal, and the bus departs approximately every 15 minutes. To get to Silverton from Fremont and the Strip, ride the due southbound all the way to the last stop, the South Strip Transfer Terminal. When you arrive at the terminal, you depart the bus at Bay 2. Proceed from Bay 2 to Bay 4 to board the 217 westbound to Silverton Hotel and Casino. This bus runs about every half hour and it's a very short 15 to 20 minute ride to Silverton Hotel and Casino. Be sure to only board the westbound 217 bus. You can ask the driver if the bus goes to Silverton Lodge when you board.
Are you westbound to Silverton Lodge?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
As we exit the terminal, here are a few things to take note of. At Bay 13, you can catch the 104 bus to get to the off-strip properties Gold Coast, the Palms, and Rio. Bay 14, you can catch the Deuce to Fremont and the Strip. At Bay 15, the 117 bus will take you to South Point Casino. And at Bay 18 is where you catch the Maryland Parkway northbound to get back to the airport. The final stop for the 217 westbound is the Silverton Hotel and Casino stop. From there, it's a short walk to the lodge entrance. For a look inside Silverton Casino, check out my video tour. I put a link in the description below. To get back to the airport, the Strip, and Fremont, go back to the very same bus stop and catch the 217 eastbound to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. If your returning destination is the Strip or Fremont, cross the terminal to Bay 14 and board the Deuce. To return to the airport, go to Bay 18 to catch the 109 Maryland Parkway northbound. Both of these buses depart approximately every 15 minutes. Like what I'm doing? Show support and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member and get access to exclusive content. Hit the link I put in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.